Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about journal selection tools for deciding which is the best publication to submit your manuscript for consideration. Thankfully, many online tools have cropped up to help would-be authors decide where to submit their manuscripts. The author puts in a portion of their abstract, a journal or a publisher's name, keywords, the field of research, or other informations to find possible matches. The programs will normally give a list of potential journals to consider with an ability to sort by various parameters. Usually the results will give a summary of the journal, perhaps their impact factor, a link to the journal, where it is indexed, any APC or author processing charge for open access journals, and much more. There are services by companies such as Inago, Edan's Editing, Journal Guide by AGE, or others. These are independent companies and usually cover the spectrum of available publications, either subscription or open access. There are also journal selection tools by publishers such as Elsevier, Springer, Wiley, and others. I would only use these services if they give suggestions both within that company and also publications outside the company. I would also be concerned about how these companies may prioritize their own journals over their competitors. When in doubt, use an independent service. These services have been a welcome addition to the tools an author can use. I would love to see a study or comparison in side-by-side usage of the results they provide. Until then, better to try several journal selection tools before deciding. I've listed all these companies in the notes below. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me at riverwindsconsulting.com with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the link to see a video on choosing the best journal for your article. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.